What's up, everybody? This is the last break of the night, December 28th, a great night. Did the big winners pool and all that. And we're finishing it off with a one-box break of Immaculate Multi-Sport. Random letter is at number 25, so good luck. Going 10 times on the random, 10 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. TJ up top, Hefe at the bottom. Right there, 10 times on the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clicked it twice by accident. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We got U and F up top and Y at the bottom. So TJ has U and F, Brad has K, Zuzu's got N, W, and X, Hefe's got L, Matt's got O, Coco Diablo has P, Aaron's got J, Big Boy 007's got V, Brad's got T, Jeremy's got D, John's got G, Robert's got A and Q, TJ's got R, C, Hefe's got M, Kip's got S, Brad's got E, Coco Diablo has I and Z, Zuzu's got H, Mike's got B, and Hefe's got Y. Alright, later, Brad. Did you saying you're leaving? Or did someone else say that? My eyes tired tonight. Have the first breaks? Yeah, those have shipped. Alright. Any trades? Oh. I thought you said you're off or something. I was looking at Jeremy's. You guys got the same color. Purple gang. Yeah, those shipped. If you send us an email at jaspersharmony@gmail.com, I could send you a tracking number. Have to force you out. Alright, good luck. Last box from this case. I'll put up number 26 so we can break it tomorrow. This one's another fatty one. Heavy. We got Paul George, PG, 13. Number to 99. That's G. That's John. We got number to 99, Jake Lamb. U-Wash, 56 of 99. That's going out to Hefe. We got numbered 10 of 99 for letter F, Buck Farmer Auto. It's TJ. 10 of 99. Georgia Tech. We got, wow, number to 99, Auto, Phil Bickford. That is one hell of a hit. That's Mike. You guys see that? You guys see that card coming up? That is sick. I'm going to save that for last right there. Wow, look at that. Right behind it, Marcus Mariota. That is a sweet patch. 8 of 49. That's jersey number 2. Right? He's number 8. Letter M, Hefe. Nice hit. Marcus Mariota. That's sweet. And Hefe with Sean Mannion auto. 57 of 99. Yeah, these Immaculates sometimes have white in the corners and stuff. Such thick cards. Hefe with that. Ooh, this is a nice one. For the letter D, On-card auto, 27 of 99, Sam Decker. Nice one for Jeremy. And we got another Wisconsin boy coming up. It's going out to the letter G. We got numbered 6 out of 6 Adidas logo, Melvin Gordon. That is a nice card. Going out to the letter G and John R. Congratulations. 6 of 6 Adidas logo, Melvin Gordon. Man, nice box to end it off. Wisconsin, Mariota. You got the Mannion, Bickford, Farmer, Lamb, and Paul George. So thanks everybody for joining. Thanks for watching. That was Immaculate number 25.